Welcome back to React.js tutorial series for beginners, and in this video we are taking a step forward. In the last part we have learned what is React and why it's so useful. If you missed it, check the link in description. Watch it first and then come back here. So in this video we will install Node.js and npm, set up Visual Studio Code, create our very own first React project, and then carefully explore and explain each of file and folder in the project. So you will know what every file does and why it's there, everything like this. And first, let's install Node.js. Open your Chrome browser and type Node.js. So Node.js, get into this website and you will see an option for download as LTS. Click this and you will have a you will download LTS, means long term support, this Node.js package. And after install it like any normal software. Once done, open your command prompt and or open your terminal in VS Code, new terminal. Just type node space -v. It will show our version what we have downloaded here. So if you see a version number, then Node.js is successfully installed. Now check for npm. So npm also you will see another number version like as npm packages are there. So we can conclude that all commands and libraries need to use in React.js are downloaded successfully. Next, install VS Code. We will install our code editor. I recommend Visual Studio Code. Go to Chrome browser and search for VS Code and just download it. We will have official website here. So because it's simple, fast, beginner friendly, and has a great extensions for React development. So we will add those extensions in the later parts. So let's install VS Code. Then you will get the VS Code as an interface like this. So this is the package. These are the packages we need to install before our get into the parts of the React.js. Now let's create our very first React app, like open command prompt. So I'm taking this command prompt. I'm going to D drive. So in this drive, go to folder where we want to create our project. So I'm creating a folder like demo React tutorial. So now I'm going to create our project in this folder like cd your folder name. So then we need to type the command to create our project or install our first project like npx space create react app r space. Then we need to give a name like something my app or my first app. So here npx is a tool to run the package and create React app. This is a special React setup package and it is used to create the React app. Next, my first app is your project name. You can name it anything like you like. So this will take a few minutes and let's enter. It's downloading all the necessary files, libraries and tools that React needs to work. Once it's done, go inside to the project and folder. Let's wait for completion. Node.js is the file which connects app component to the HTML page. So that's why this is the starting point for React. It connects your app component to HTML. So we have index.css. It is like some global styles we use. That's it. And we have some report to web vitals. And this is measures of app performance. We don't need it. That means we don't need to disturb or anything. Just leave it as it is. Setup test.js. It is used for setting up tests. And this one also we don't need to disturb. So this is the src we have. Next we have package.json. So this file is very important. Package.json keeps tracks of project name and version. Suppose our what is our project name? We have given as my first app. So here see name is my first app. So it stores the name, the version we are using, and scripts to run command like npm start. Where is it? Npm start is there. React script. To start the script, we use this script, and a list of installed libraries like dependencies. What dependencies or libraries we need to use, all these things will be here, and project details, all these things. And we will have project details here. If you want to install new libraries like Axios or React Router, it will be recorded here. So then after we will have packaged the lock.json. This file keeps extract exact versions of every installed package, so that if someone else installs your project later, everything stays exactly the same. So these two we don't need to disturb anything here. Then after we will have readme.md. This is just an information file. It explains how to run your project and some basic details. You can delete or update this later and don't. So as we see npm run build, it is easy to build our project after completing and start our project and opens it in localhost 3000. So these are the things we have in project structure. So main thing is you need to do modifications or anything in a src folder. In this src, we will have app.js. In this app.js, we will run our project and do some modifications like this. So I'm giving any html tag and h1 tag, writing some text. So let's see in browser. So text was displayed. So as it is the main component. So if you we can see in index.js, we will see app. So this is a app component. This app component was redirected to index.html. This index.js was converted to index.html. So this is the process we have done. So change it to something text, whatever you want. Just follow these instructions, and always take autosave mode. It is easier to do after giving some modifications, and just install the es7 plugin. It has some plugins, and we have anything something like tags, components, easy to use, and it was very flexible, and we have code snippets and everything. Some code blocks are statically available there. So you will see the text updated immediately in the browser. So that's called hot reloading. So if you just remove this text and I'm going directly to the browser, it was changed. So this type of reloading is called hot reloading. React updates the page without refreshing it. So have you as up? I don't refresh anything here. I'm just taking modifications. It was automatically reloads because in React it reloads the or updates the page without refreshing it. I don't need to refresh it. It was cool, right? So in this part, we have learned how to install Node.js, npm VS Code, and created a new React app, and understood every folder and file in the project, and made a small live changes to the test the React's live updates. If you are following along, type done with part 2 in the comments below. So in the Part 3, we will learn more about JSX, React special syntax, and understanding the components in detail, and start creating our own components. So hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thanks a lot for watching this video till the end. If you found it helpful, give it a like and drop your questions in the comments. I will reply to each one personally. And stay tuned, more bits of knowledge on your way.